Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're on a Samsung Android phone and that settings is accessible. This matters because menus vary by model. Once done, open Settings, then tap Lock Screen right away to avoid extra navigation. Make sure you note any carrier or third-party lock apps installed because they can reintroduce ads. You'll need this context for later steps, so pause here only to confirm the model and that lock screen is the active menu you're working in. You'll now remove the sources of ads. In Lock Screen, tap Wallpaper Services or Content Suggestions and switch off Samsung Free, News, or Content Suggestions. Next, go to Widgets and disable any promotional widgets. Make sure Always on Display settings don't show promotional content. Then open Apps in Settings, filter by apps with lock screen or notification access, and revoke permission for apps that can show content on the lock screen. Finish by clearing cache and data for apps that previously showed ads, then reboot your phone to apply changes. This often removes lingering content. If ads persist, inspect any carrier apps or third-party lock screen apps and uninstall or disable them, because carriers sometimes inject promotions. If nothing works, reset lock screen settings or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure you back up data first. Troubleshooting tip. Safe mode helps identify whether a third-party app is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.